Hi, my loves. Welcome to another episode of Be Your Own Glam Squad. This is Gianna, and she is going to demonstrate, ready? Dark Circle Corrector. Yes, here we go. All right, Gianna, it's all you, girl. I'm just standing here watching you, watching your every move.
Okay, I feel like I should probably use the deeper shade because I feel like it would go with my skin tone more. Okay.
Go ahead. Let's see what happens. Okay. I'm just kidding. So obnoxious. But here's the thing. I do actually like what you did, but just so you know, this is created, the packaging, so that you can literally just go right on your skin. But go for it. Do what you're doing. I'll leave you be. Very nice. Now, you are doing a nice tapping method, which I love, okay? Because again, you want to be nice and gentle. Here's a little tip. You can even use your ring finger because that's your softest touch. There you go. To make sure that your already perfect skin stays perfect forever. There you go. Look at that. Bourgeois. Love it. Okay, where you put it, that little C underneath your eyes is great. However, if you, may I?
Of course.
Okay, so if you want, you can bring it down a little bit. And what that does, it kind of eliminates that like C-shaped situation and creates more of a brightness in the center of your face. And that's what makes you look wide awake. That's what makes you look even more youthful. But that would make you actually a baby. But anyway, okay, so go ahead and just blend in. You want to do the other eye now and kind of cheat it like a little bit lower. There you go. Very good. So blend it out, and there you go. Now go down a little bit on either sides of your nose. There you go. And it creates that brightness in the center of the face. Nice. Love it. Next, what we're going to do is I have a pop quiz for you. Where else can you put Dark Circle Corrector? Now, here's a little secret. It's not actually concealer. Dark Circle Corrector is actually skincare with brightening and hydrating pigments. So you're getting that hydration and you're getting that brightness. So you can use this in concert with your concealer if you want to, if you need a little extra something. Okay, here's another question. Where else besides under your eyes do you think that you can use Dark Circle Corrector? Here's a little secret. I like to put a little bit in between the eyebrows and a little bit underneath the bottom lip. There you go. That's right. Right there. And a little bit underneath the bottom lip. And again, remember, we're talking about creating that circle of brightness in the center of your face, which really makes everything come forward. And I love it. Yes. Okay, ready? Bonus points. You want another little secret?
Yes.
Okay. You use the deeper, which matches your skin very well and does give you a little bit of brightening. But if you want even more of a pop, even more of a little brightness, why don't you try the lighter? Am I allowed to do it on you?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay, great. So we're going to take the lighter, and here's a little tip, guys. I'm going to show you. All you have to do is do a little twist, and the product is going to come right up through that little shower head, you see? So again, you can use your fingers, no problem. But if you do want to take it straight from the wand, go ahead. Can you hold this for me? Thank you so much. So again, if you want a little bit of pop of brightness, go ahead and tap it right in the inner corners like so. You want to make sure that you can get up into these dark little caves, I call them, right? A little bit in between the eyebrows and a little underneath the bottom lip, just like that. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to just take my fingers, look up for me again, and we're just going to pat in. And we're just going to go down a little bit. And again, remember, this is what it's all about. Adding that pop, adding that hydration so that you can have that beautiful wide awake look. When's the last time you had 8 hours of sleep? Just wondering. Don't say last night because I'll be very upset. Because
A couple of days ago.
Okay.
Maybe
well,
a week
good.
ago.
Well, good. I'm glad you're taking care of yourself. But most of us don't get that 8 hours of sleep. So watch. Again, take it down underneath your eyes, in between the eyebrows, and look.
Looks so much better.
So awake. I love it. So you can use the deeper and the lighter, The trick is, if you want a more sort of natural skin tone look, go for the deeper for you. And then if you really want that pop, that brightness, that hydration, go for the lighter. Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Be Your Own Glam Squad. We love you. Stay gorgeous.
I love you like la 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 la.